Alright, hello everybody. Right now I'm trying to circle my way out of this neighborhood because I just pulled over to get directions. We are heading to another Bliss Car Wash location. This one is Cypress. And from my memory, I believe this was the most recent location that SF Car Wash channel filmed and posted to his channel. And this place is only 7 minutes from Knott's Berry Farm, which is where I'm spending the day today, getting the last little bit out of my season passes. And I'm like, well, it's time to film another Bliss location. It's been a bit. The last one I visited, I think it was the Moreno Valley location with the mini tunnel. Also, something about Bliss that I understand, they're making some changes as this video is being shot. One of which is the crossover Motor City Washworks dry and shines. You know, the 5 brush dry and shines, the ones that have the wraps. Only a handful of car washes around the nation use them. Very few of them. Bliss is probably the biggest chain out here that use them. But recently they started getting rid of them because they're heavy on downtime, and they decided to do away with them. And I believe Cypress, may still have theirs, but they're all slowly getting removed. Like the City of Industry location, for example, with the polish tunnel I filmed, they have removed theirs. And they actually used to have all the blowers on that site on one single arch. But since they removed the dry and shines, I added a few more arches to put the blowers on, and it's just the regular standard 3-wheel dry and shine. So I don't know if Cypress has removed theirs yet, but I guess we're about to find out. Now, in my time filming express car washes all around Southern California, I gotta tell you, I've become very fond of Bliss. And whenever people ask me, at least locally out here, hey, what express car wash would you recommend? I always go for the same answer every time, and that's gonna be Bliss. Because I mainly favor them, because the chemistry at all their sites, with the exception of Covina, which was a bad day I caught them, have been excellent. My car comes out shinier even after it's been washed multiple times for videos. My car almost always comes out in the best shining condition when I go to Bliss. So that's the reason I personally like it. Now, in this same parking lot, there is a mobile gas station with a touchless wash that actually it's not touchless. It's an older Ryko soft gloss, interestingly enough. So I'll film that on my way back out of here. Pretty slow today, but then again, it's only 9 in the morning. Howdy. I'm doing good. I'm going to be buying a single wash today, and the top wash, the Transform Plus, for $22.
So you're all set, okay?
Yep. Yeah, I'll take the receipt. Thank you for your help.
Of course.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
My pleasure. So the guy actually did take down my gas cap, so that's pretty nice. So they didn't extend out in the front, but I'm guessing that's because they put a front retract on. Well, that was a lot of dents. Well, not denting, but a lot of ding noises I heard there. Did you hear that? I think that was just the dry and shines pushing against the side mirrors, but they don't appear to be damaged, so I think we're fine. Thank you. Alright, we'll go ahead and stop in one of these spots here. I'm not using the vacuum, so I'm not gonna take up a spot if I can help it. Yeah. Based on these results, I'm actually genuinely impressed. Mirrors look really good because the attendant wiped both of them, which I think he did a solid job doing a hand dry. There's a little bit of dripping left here, but in fairness, that could have, sometimes when you accelerate after a wash, sometimes like water gets caught in here, I've seen, so it kind of spills out. So that may not, I don't think that was the towel dryer's fault. I guess this decided to hang out there after the wash. That wasn't there before. I think that just fell down from one of the trees up there. Yeah. I'm impressed, just as I've always been with this place. So yeah, well done. Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.